So you want to get into investing, but you don't really know where to start. Wealthsimple is definitely something that you should consider. And in this video, I'm going to go through some things that are positive about Wealthsimple Trade, some things that are unfortunate and that they can improve on, kind of what the future holds and what I think I will do with Wealthsimple in the future as I actually grow my investments and have a significant portfolio. So we'll start with number one, which is no commission on stocks at all. If I buy a stock, I don't have to pay anyone to buy that stock for me. I just go on my phone, I can select what stock I want to buy, I can press buy, select the quantity that I want, and then I have my stocks. So another benefit of Wealthsimple Trade is just how clean the interface is. I love how it looks. It looks beautiful. They just make it so easy. And from a business analyst perspective, trying to build an app and build systems like this, it's just really intuitive with how they do it. And that's kind of why I like it. I like easy, I like simple. A nice thing about Wealthsimple Trade is that they now can buy cryptocurrency. So you can open up a crypto account and you can buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum, adding up to $250 every 3 days into your account, and you can buy and sell something. So if the stock goes down, you don't have money in your account, but you have money in your bank account, you can transfer that money over instantly, buy your stocks, and then a few days later or a day later, they would take money out of your bank account. By paying $3 a month, you get up to $1,000 instantly, which would actually be nice because $250 is a decent amount, but $1,000 actually kind of makes an impact if I'm wanting to buy something. They've recently just raised $750 million from kind of celebrities with Drake and Ryan Reynolds, but they're just putting confidence into Wealthsimple. He plans to use the new cash to expand Wealthsimple's market position and build out its offerings of products to grow its teams. The most annoying thing with Wealthsimple, and something that you need to know, is if you are planning on buying American stocks, you do get charged an exchange fee. So, which is not that bad of a deal, but if I go and buy a Tesla Apple stock, I get charged that fee to exchange my money from a Canadian funds to American. And say the money in the Apple stock is sufficient and I want to sell it. When I sell it, I get charged an exchange rate as well. So my money is going from Canadian to my American stock, and when I sell my stock, it goes back to Canadian. So if I want to actually buy another American stock with that gains I have from my American stock, I'm gonna have to sell it, have it transferred to Canadian money, and then buy another American stock with my Canadian money and transfer that over to America. So this is really unfortunate. You can't actually hold your money in American money when you sell a stock. And that's a huge deal breaker for me moving forward in the future when I start buying a lot of American stocks, and I'm planning on diversifying away from ETFs and Canadian stocks. Something just to consider. So if you are buying American stocks with Wealthsimple Trade, don't try to sell it and buy it and sell it and buy it, because you're just going to get a lot of fees and you're going to be losing out on a lot of money. Another con is not really meant for day trading. They're trying to push that forward with that $3 a month with instant valuations for your stock price, for stock prices, but it's still, you got to pay some money for that. They're trying to make some money off you. So currently, if you don't want to pay that $3 a month, your price is going to be delayed about 15 minutes. And the last thing, you can't really buy any other cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin and Ethereum. I assume that will grow as other cryptocurrencies gain more popular and gain a bigger size in value. But it would be nice to have some more options, especially when these beginner people are just looking to buy something. I know that crypto is super volatile and super risky. I understand that they're limiting you, but you should be able to have at least a few more options. And I anticipate that to grow with the future of Wealthsimple. So overall, I think Wealthsimple is a really great platform and you have a lot of potential to get started in investing. But long term, as you grow your portfolio out and you start trying to diversify, you're gonna end up getting that exchange rate fee. You can't hold the money in American funds. So ultimately, if that doesn't get changed in the near future, I think I will move my money out of Wealthsimple. But for now, I've been really enjoying it. I love the interface. And if you just want to get started with a little bit amount of money, you want to buy an Apple stock, a Tesla stock from America and hold it for a while, then go on you. But if you're trying to buy it and sell American stocks, then I don't think this app is worth it. You can go and use other options like Questrade, where they do have the option to hold American funds, which is super valuable and something that I would definitely be interested in switching to unless Wealthsimple makes that change. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to help you out just like I will my brother. I'll see you in the next video.